45 countries have signed a statement supporting the genocide of the Uyghurs. I cannot help but notice that most of these countries listed are authoritarian regimes themselves or in a position to be easily bought. The type of so-called friends China has are very telling of what kind of barbaric regime they possessed. To the African nations, how do you think you will end up when the regime takes control through debt trap diplomacy? Are you content to usher in colonialism of the modern age and bring back slavery? The very tactics China uses at the present to invest and pursue global domination through the Belt and Road initiatives are the very ways that the CCP lied to Uyghurs, Tibetans, Mongolians, Hong Kongers, and many more. To the Islamic countries that have chosen China's blood money over your faith and the lives of Muslims. When your people become aware of what you have done, what do you think will happen to your reputation? China is waging a war on Islam. Remember our warnings. China is going to colonize each of your countries before it starts to try to colonize the West. The judgment of eternity will not be in favor of those who deliberately defend evil. Do not be counted with China's shame and ultimate doom. It's time for the peoples of the world to rise against CCP. Resist and save yourselves before it's too late.